Good morning, my wonderful friends here in the world of the markets. I had somebody ask me the other day, we was just discussing the markets in general, and they said, I wonder what I hear a lot about Tesla in the news lately, and and a lot about X, used to be called Twitter, but now it's called X. I wonder what they look like in the markets. So I told myself, okay, I guess I'm going to take a little look at Tesla. Although, interestingly enough, X is not in the markets because it is a privately held company, so it's not tradable on the stock market. Privately held, private investors, this special people who have, the people. So I wouldn't be surprised if one day it does become publicly traded, but probably not until all the private investors get all their money back. Then they might want to get more money, so they'll just make it publicly traded and sell all the shares to the public at a premium. But enough about me and my silly rants. Tesla, I'm a little zoomed in here looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, which is pretty much just like, from the past week. This is like essentially what I'm looking at right here is just what's happened in the past week. So I'm assuming whatever happened on this day, January the 30th, it must have been some goofy news event, because that's just a ridiculous candle. I mean, that's just silly. That's like just some long wiki candle, I mean, it's just but this right here shows you something, okay? This is what I love. I just noticed this. I'm just looking at this for the first time just now. You know what I love about this right here? This shows how like quote unquote traditional trading, learning how to trade and learning how the markets work, technical analysis, how it comes back to bite you time and time again. Because they why do they make all that stuff out in the open for everybody to know? Because they know traders are going to trade that, and they're going to sell on your face. Okay, this candle that happened on January 30th, this 4-hour candle, okay, where it has a thick body and a long skinny wick underneath, okay, that is called a bullish hammer candle, okay? And when traditional TA teaches you that this kind of candle here, you want to buy that candle, because if you buy this big bullish green candle here, this real ginormous green hammer, traditional TA teaches you to buy that because it's quote unquote showing a lot of buying pressure. Okay, so you think, okay, it's showing a lot of buying pressure, so that means the buying pressure is going to continue up. So if I am of the belief, if I buy that candle, then price is going to keep moving up, and I can sell way up high for a big profit. Okay. But look what's happened now. Okay, what's going on? Man, I saw this green bullish hammer candle, and I bought it, and it started going up in my favor, a couple days later, and then now 3-4 days later, what's happened? We have eliminated the majority of this big bullish green hammer candle, okay? And probably going to take out the low of it too, to be honest with you. So, experience is like way more of a valuable teacher than any traditional TA, okay? Some people ride or die by candlesticks. That's on you. If you're making money, you're making money. But I've just seen this too often, So that's kind of a funny tidbit. But as far as what's going on with Tesla right now, well, to me, primarily the thing that holds more weight than anything in my book is a basic trend, okay? Uptrend, downtrend, okay? It's not like Vulcan logic, It's not like exact line in the sand type deal. It's just a generalization, okay? So, for the past week, in a generalization, okay, our friend Tesla here has gone from 419 and just been on a steady decline down to 378, okay? Just wiggling its way down. That is a clear, undeniable little downtrend, okay? Very simple. So if on the 4-hour time frame we're on a clear downtrend and we're getting at the bottom of this range, okay, is it time to sell? Well, you clearly identified a downtrend. That means I'm going to sell. No. I mean, you do what you want, but I'm not selling here. Why am I going to sell here at 378? I'm at the bottom of a range on the past week. In the past week, it's been 365 and 419. And right now, I'm at the bottom of that area. Buy low, sell high, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Okay? So, that's what's going on to me as far as the past week. So if I want to zoom out a little more, okay, oh, well, looky here. Zooming out a little more, this is what has been going on for the past 2 months. Okay, so for the past 2 months, this is how Tesla has been looking on the chart. Now, if we took our same logic that we had used on the past week of price action and applied it to the past 2 months of price action, what are we seeing here? Personally, I see yet another nice little downtrend, okay? In my book, I'm not looking for Tesla to go higher until it breaks that trend, okay? Until, like, that downtrend is broken, okay? To me, I have a higher probability, the way I trade, for Tesla to go down. So I'm just sit on my hands. I don't buy, I don't sell. I want to sell at a high. I want to sell when it's at a high of a trend, okay? So if I zoom out a little bit more, this is the kicker here to me, okay? This is what's been going on for like the past year, okay? This is the past year of Tesla. And this is the sweet sauce that I saw when I was just looking at it myself. Okay. I'm just looking real basic. I mean, this is real simple. Okay. To me. The way I view the market, it's just, I'm not even looking to buy Tesla until we have a nice cooling off period down here to this trend, which is right about $300. So down here around $300, okay. I'll probably set an alert I'll set one right there. If price dips below $310, my phone is going to notify me, hey, well, I did not mean to do 2 alerts, but my phone is going to notify me that, hey, Tesla just dipped below $310. And then I can come back and look at it and I can say, okay, well, looks like we're kind of bouncing off this trend here. And I might take a buy right there. But until then, I'm not touching it, because to me, we're at the high end of the past year. On the past week, we're on the low end. So there's plenty of scalping opportunities. But as far as a big buy, I'll sit and hold, you know. So that's just how I envision Tesla at the moment. My little weird way of looking at the market. I love everybody. I'm going to cut this video short. We had, just for note, I did close all of my Aussie dollar positions. Yay! I know, my friends. We were looking to hold that till back up to 65. But guess what? We had such a gorgeous buy down there right at 60 even. And we ended up being in the money so good when it got back up to 62.8. I actually got up to like 62.9 yesterday. And I closed everything out. I had a little trend laid out on the hourly time frame. And I just said, okay, I'm going to ride this bad boy up. I'm looking good. Everything was great. Every position was in the money. I said, I'm going to ride this bad boy up until, all but one. I'm going to ride this bad boy up until it breaks the trend. It broke my hourly trend. I had no emotion. I would love it to just keep ripping up higher. But you know what? I took the money. 2025 is like a thing of beauty for me personally. I hope that everybody else has a good start to the year as I have. You know, I'm just you know, I'm like what's that character from Dora the Explorer, Swiper. You know, I'm just a little weasel that just swipes money off the table from Mr. Market Maker. I'm just kidding. You know, that's a funny joke, ongoing joke. But I took the money, and I told this is the second time I'm telling myself that. Okay, it feels good to take the money. Don't dismiss that. It feels good to pay yourself. Okay. You've done a lot of work. I'm not talking about me. I could be talking about you, but anybody. You have grinded for so long. It doesn't matter if it's $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000. Pay yourself. It feels good. Okay? It feels good to pay yourself. Okay? I mean, that Aussie dollar trade alone put 2025's live account that I started at the beginning of this year, it's up 50% now. So all positions are closed. It's gorgeous. I had a little scalp on dollar yen last night. Nothing major. It went up. It was up like $20. I said, well, you know, I kind of have a bigger idea here. You know, I'd probably get up here to like, you know, it was just one little position. I said I'd probably get up here like to, you know, 154.8. You know, I might get like $80 out of the thing. You know. But you know what? As soon as I told myself that, I caught myself. And guess what I did? I closed that position too. I took that $20 too. Somebody put $20 on the table, I'm going to take it. Somebody puts $100 on the table, I'm going to take it. You know, Aussie dollar puts a couple $100 on the table, I'm taking it. All right? Thank you, Australia. I appreciate it. You know, you pay my groceries for the week. So, you know, it's just, it's good to pay yourself. But Tesla, man, I tell you what, we just got to watch it, because I wouldn't even consider a buy until it comes down and touches that trend. But I love everybody, and I will talk to everybody on the next video. Peace.